Number 3. Network extensively. Networking plays a crucial role in accessing job opportunities in top MNCs. Attend industry events, join professional association, and connect with professionals working your desired companies. Shalom Global Infotech is a valuable platform for making connections in staying updated with the job openings in India easily.
If you like this video, like, share. To get more update, don't forget to subscribe and put your valuable comments. This is Samuel Chinnathambi. I'll catch up in the next video.